guys, it's Brianna. I have 4 subscribers so far. I need more. So can you guys please subscribe? I'll be doing a lot more videos. Fun ones. I did a truth or dare video. And how to make salt dough, best friend poses, and one of me acting stupid. Don't judge, please. But this is my dog Lady. She's a female. She's a Chihuahua mixed with a teacup, I think she's just a regular teacup. I mean, a regular Chihuahua. So yeah. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make sugar cookies in the microwave. Alright, so you're going to need sugar cookie dough. Just going to use the whole entire thing. Alright. So, I just washed my hands. It smells like soap. Alright. And I'm going to be kneading this whole entire dough because, don't tell anybody, but I actually like eating raw cookie dough. I know I can get sick, but I actually like it. My favorite cookie dough is chocolate cookie dough. No, chocolate chip cookie dough. You know, chocolate chip cookies, but actually the dough, I eat it because it tastes way better than, honestly, any cookie dough I've ever tasted. This is probably the second best. Alright, I'm gonna stop eating it. Okay. So after you kneaded it and made it soft, grab pieces of the dough, roll it up to a nice mixture. Then I sit down. I'm gonna eat more. I need to. So good. You should have like a ball like this. You can rip it in half, and then you have 2 perfect sized balls for cooking. And place it down. And this. You can make it forward if you want. Okay. Alright, now you want to have them all separate, but not too close to the edge and not too close to each other. And you want to just like press it down. Press it down. Okay. After I was done with that, I washed my hands and set the balls here. You want to have it like that, and then you can let's put it in for about 50 seconds. I did 50 seconds last time and it worked out pretty well. So yeah, we're gonna just start going like so. It's barely at 42 seconds. While we're waiting, I'm going to dance. Shoot up, eat up. Yeah, you can have any comments below in the video of stuff I can make or videos, like I could do life hacks. So yeah. Let's see. Ooh, they're not ready. We're going to add them in for about 30 more seconds. As you can see, it's still not ready. So for about 30 more seconds. Get them right on my face. Oh, that's the back. Yeah, it does work. Alright. They look done, but then at the same time they don't. So I'm gonna put them back in for about 20. You can see right there. You can see my tablet. About 24 seconds. It's my dog Pee-wee. Pee-wee. I'm sitting on the trash can, aren't I? Hi, Pee-wee. Hi, little thing. My little puggy chihuahua. And it is ready. When you're taking it out, you want to grab it by the edge, because it's pretty much hot. Hey, people. I could definitely not wait until it cooled down. I had to eat it now. I know cookies are supposed to be eaten with hands, you know, like that. But I'm eating it with a fork. The only reason I'm eating it with a fork is because I want to, and because it is pretty much hot and I cannot wait for it. So, I wish I had somebody to hold this for me. Alright, can you see it? Hope you can. Okay. So I just scraped it all off, made sure it wasn't burnt. Just grab a huge piece. It's really good. It's better both ways, actually. To me, it's a bit better cooked, but in the oven, because in the microwave, it doesn't really cook that much. But it's still good. It's perfect. I did chocolate chip cookie before, and delicious. So I'm in a new place now, which is my eating place. You know, where everybody sits down to eat. Scraping it off. Hope you guys enjoy it and have a great day. Sorry that my nose was in the way. Look over here. But make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button because they're free and they will make this girl very happy. But yeah, I just woke up, so don't judge. Alright, so have a nice day.